Josha mwine bombi ohireyo kushaboku bwabenagambira beji abashinanaga secondary school abetabiro mushemo gubire kugenderire kubahwera omubuzi bebiruba kubugana
obhabuze bunkuhereza nkomuzire oryokwe abazire akare nyonko kunkumanya eitwa akurire omuzire akakushita misanso umwana we amuhana amuhereza obwire amanye ebizo byakora bamu amanyo kwakura erigenda abazite bakiriza abana bwire so abazire muhereza abana banyobwire mube banywano babo babagambire ebiru kubashasha nebizu ebarukura bamu
bwineho nayihanangiriza beji okwereka kusisera obwire mu bintu bibi ebiru kubaremesa kushoma omuri okunyamarwa okugira butokoza bongo obushambani hamwe nebindi
obhabuze bunkusindikira beji wena omweja hori ninkugira ngo concentrating akushoma kwawe drop everything and read oye hare ebintu bikuretera waremwa okushoma araho abana binji abitukureba street n'abana bato myaka 12 13 14 15 nangushanga bazire babakabine sente zo koza kubashomeza
babeji basimera babagako ahabwo mushomongo.
When you seek for advice you can be helped in one way or the other, so twashimira mnoga babasakutabura twageze kutukubasakutura n'abantu bitu omucanga kitu nizo twabageze ko yikirizamo ningashi omurujunga shitakwasa kugira ngo students should be confident obwiro bwinjo mwana ashitamente ranta ye haryo ko nyuma
cyatugeze mbere ko tujye kumva bakose cyase niba batunje kacema kahanga ko ine nabase kutunga cyane
omugandi abazire bashabira kurekyer'aho kuhereza abana babefubiro berengire kandi n'amashomero nago gashabira obutagumana gashorora beji omudini nko muringo gukuza abana abarukwekunda.
Grandparents, with love, Sister Gladys Kachupi.
Ebigambire Professor Mugume Stephen Rwabukwire obwabire nabuganaho abazire abinabeja hishimiro lya imacho etati ababire babwine mu Rwampara okubasa kubana bashomesebwa amtwariza y'abana mu makano mu mashomero.
Every child requires a sexual base. A sexual base concept by John Bowlby in 1988 when I had joined the college is defined as a safe and nurturing environment provided by a primary caregiver. By a primary caregiver, typically a parent, that allows children to feel secure, valued, protected, and their characteristics, emotional availability.
Making a memorandum of understanding. Do they call it petitions? They call what? There is a way they make when they are seeking. I call them what? The requests they make to leaders, presidents, ministers. I wouldn't want to do them. All I want to ask the new leadership, of course, led by Sister Sabina, is that we request to work with you, and that one I know you have no problem.
There are some parents who really attack us. They attack us. And then we would go to Sister Sabina and we read through the word. Sister, they have said this on the... And then it's to end and go, Kurat Soberwa. When it is over, Mwakwatop Tambara, Mwatsangura.
Sister Sabine Tumusime ashabira amashomero go no kwetoro rihanga okurekyer'aho kushobora bejo mudini.
We don't change any person. We don't indoctrinate them. We teach them Christian values. I think these values cut across. Yes, if you are a Muslim, if you are a born again, like when these senior ones came, we went to the chapel and we were telling them how to behave. Of course, each and every religion respects God. It respects the chapel or the church or the mosque or the place of worship.
Gashaka Bukari Ensinganto najime mhumuza.